Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is Abby and this is Chronicles of the Age. In this video, we're going to be unboxing these new art supplies. So I recently got gifted some art supplies and I thought instead of just opening it, maybe I should unbox it with you guys. So here I am unboxing it with you guys and okay, let's dive right into it, shall we? Okay, so I've always wanted to have colored pencils, you guys. The ones I have were very low quality and they were just, I don't know, not nice to use. I kept the red pencil though. I don't know where the rest of the colors are, honestly. I think I took it to my cousin's house and his baby just played with it and everything just went missing. Anyways, this is the only one I have left and I thought I should really get colored pencils. I really like to use colored pencils and I need some colored pencils. This is 36 colors. I've never heard of this brand, M&J. I don't know, I've never heard of them, but what drew me to this particular set is the 36 colors because I like to have a wide range of colors to work with, you understand? So I saw Nataraj, but Nataraj was just 24 colors, and even though Nataraj was longer, I preferred this one because it is a little bit softer than Nataraj, and of course the colors too, it's 36 colors. So let us get right into it. Okay, this looks very good. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this looks very good. Like, oh my god. Is it okay that I feel nervous, anxious to pull this out? Okay. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful, guys. Look at all this glory. Like, look at all this glory in one place. This is a whole lot of colors to work with. Okay, so I've separated this into the various colors of the rainbow, into skin tones and into darks and grays. Darks, grays and whites. I don't know, but there are these two colors that are really, I don't know why they stand out so much, but I think it's because they are metallic. So these are the two colors, they just stand out. I don't know why, but they just stand out so much. Also, are colored pencils supposed to be numbered? Do they always have numbers? I guess you're just supposed to know the colors. I don't know. I like that there's this whole set of skin tones. These are really beautiful and I think it goes for all the possible skin tones. All the possible skin tones they could actually be, from really dark to really light. Like, I'm literally overwhelmed. Like, the thing I like most about this set is the wide range of greens and blues. Like, just take a look at this. There's like 5 of each, five shades of blue and 5 shades of green. Also, the violet comes in a white shade too, and I'm confused. Is this like a maroon violet or what? I guess I will find out when I test it out because it really does look dark. It looks dark like a maroon. The lead looks like a violet. I don't know. There's just 3 shades of red here and they look really pigmented, like really pigmented. These 3 should cover for every kind of red I should need. Yeah, 2 shades of orange, 2 shades of yellow. This costs just 6,000 naira. It might be quite expensive for some people, but for me, I found it really affordable because it's 36 colors. Even though it wasn't me that paid for it though, technically it's not my money, but still, I found it very affordable for 36 colors. That is how much it costs. If you're looking to get some, maybe when I try it out, I'll tell you if it's nice and if I recommend it, but it looks nice, so I guess I'll try it out and show you. Let us pack our baby and unbox the next one. The next thing is this mechanical pencil. It's a Fosca 0.5 millimeters pencil. I've always wanted a mechanical pencil, and for some reason I never really got it. I don't know why. If you ask me why, I really don't know. But I know I needed it, but I didn't get it. So I got the chance to get it. So I got one. I like how fancy it's looking. There were other colors. I think there was green, there was blue, there was pink, silver. I went for this one for whatever reason. This should be about 30 or 20 refills of the same 0.5 millimeters. I had to tell the sales girl to teach me how to refill, and I was trying to use it. I was constantly pressing it out, and the lead was just coming out. Guys, I'm not going to even lie to you, I was intimidated. I thought I had spoiled it because it wasn't going back. There's nothing to return it. Not until I found out that you just had to press and hold, then push your lead back in. No, knowledge is power. I don't think I agree. The mechanical pencil costed 1,000 naira, and the refills just 800 naira. So the two for 1,800 naira, quite affordable to me. So I got this from a shop. The price might be different if you're buying it online. You know, it will have to include shipping fee and all that. So yeah, of course I'm saving the best for the last. Like, this baby needs to come last. So yeah, stick around, guys. I can't even explain how this is so much of a blessing to me. Like, let me show you what I used to use before. These are the palettes I used to use before. This is technically not a palette, but yeah, it did the job quite nicely. This is the cover of my takeaway plate. And these two, like, you guys can tell how messy. You can see how messy it was because this little piece was not doing the job at all, which is why I needed to bring this in. And I was just tired of using these covers because they are so unreliable, and then I cannot section it, so the colors get to bleed into themselves, if you know what I mean. This is just a game changer for me. I've not even started using it, but I know it's a game changer, especially considering the fact that I got new set of pins. This is by Motaro. I don't know, I've never heard of the brand. It's plastic. Every plastic is alike, right? This is 1,500 naira. You can convert it to dollars and see how much that costs. At least in Nigeria though, it might be different out there. Why am I scared to open it? Okay, fine, let me open it. Okay, look at this baby. She's so pretty. She's like this mini plate that they used to put food for children. This is so beautiful, you guys. And it's not heavy, right? It's not a heavy palette. I initially got the wood palette, but the wood palette didn't have all these segments, and I just rethought, like, why can't you just get the one that is segmented? I mean, that's what you are going for, by the way, right? I recommend this. I haven't even started using it, but please, if you need a palette, get something that has many grips, so you don't get frustrated trying to use something this small. I mean, this will still come in handy in the long run, but you need something larger, except you just want to work with limited colors. Your palette is very limited and you do not need to do a lot of stuff with it. So, but if you do want to work with a lot of colors and you don't want to be frustrated, try getting a palette that has plenty grips. You understand? Okay, I'm excited, guys. This is the big reveal. Oh my god, I have waited so long for acrylic colors. Like, oh my god, I was initially going to get gouache, yeah, but I thought, like, you have watercolor, it's almost the same thing as gouache, right? If I'm not mistaken, it's almost the same thing as gouache. Why not get acrylic? I've always been intimidated by acrylic. I'm like, okay, guys, it's time to face that fear and just get an acrylic set. The work you intend to be putting out in the long run is going to be a lot of acrylic. So why not start working with acrylic now? Yeah, my chest is pounding. I don't know the name of the brand, but it's called 24 Premium Acrylic Set. Each tube contains 12 mils of the colors. Honestly, this is a lot because the previous colors I got were about 5 mils. My watercolor is about just 5 mils. This is double of that and more, and it's even better because it can be diluted as watercolor, so you get to even use less and less. Oh god, I can't even believe I'm already mising it. I've not started using it and I'm mising it. Anyways, let's unbox this already. Here we go. Okay, wow. This is amazing, you guys. Look at that. I'm intimidated, honestly, because I've never worked with acrylic before. But I know this is going to be good, so honestly, I cannot wait. I just want to see what these colors look like. So here I am with a container of water and a flat brush, and I will be testing this on my sketchbook. I've heard a lot of stories of how fast acrylic dries, how it's very thick and uncomfortable to work with. Some people say it's uncomfortable to work with, some people say it's too dry, some people say it's just not like watercolor and all of that. Some people even say you shouldn't dilute it with watercolor. I guess we're about to find out all of that. I feel the need to start with this rose magenta. I don't know why, but the color is just calling to me. This looks so good. It's so pigmented. Also, it's water soluble. I don't know why people say we shouldn't use water with acrylic. This is so water soluble. I am in love already. Okay, I know I said I was going to test it now. I changed my mind. I so changed my mind. We are testing this out in another video. Definitely testing it out in another video. Not doing this right now. This video is already too long. I can feel it already. If you're wondering why I didn't buy other art materials, that's because I already have them, and maybe you should check that out in my supply store video where I show all the materials that you need, especially for beginners. The link is in the description box. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Definitely check out the testing video. Let us explore these colors together. Thank you very much for watching till this point. I really appreciate you. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. I hope you like. I know you can't see my face, but technically you can hear my voice, so you know me. Yeah, my name is Abby and this is Chronicles of the Age. Do well to subscribe. Tell me what you think about acrylic. If you have been using acrylic before now, please tell me what you think about acrylic. I need to know from people that will actually tell the truth, not just people that are making videos because they find the topic popular, not that they have any personal experience with that thing. So please, I would like to hear from people that actually have personal experience with acrylic. So please tell me in the comment section what you think. Tell me if you have been using colored pencils, the do's and don'ts of colored pencils. And yeah, I guess I'll see you in the next video. I'm not guessing, I'll definitely see you in the next video.